welcome back to my channel. Today we're making some spaghetti and ground beef. I'm using minimal ingredients in this recipe and it is easy to put together. It's under 30 minutes from start to finish, guys, and you can feed a crowd with it. Trust me, it's amazing. So let's get right into the kitchen. Here I have my ingredients, and I'm going to be listing every details in the description box below and the measurements, so check it out below there. I'm going to be using some spaghetti, some of my homemade tomato sauce, guys, along with, and I'll be leaving the link in the description for that, some ground beef. I also have some red onions, garlic, and some cumin seeds. I didn't have the energy, guys, to crush the seeds, so I'm going to use it as is. Some celery, red bell pepper, along with some carrots and some dried tomatoes. Over here I have a combination of onion, garlic, ginger, Cajun seasoning, complete seasoning mixed together, cubes, and some red pepper flakes. Also, if you can see clearly here, guys, this is the beautiful thing. My plant pot has been blooming, so I picked some basil. I have some parsley, some chives, and some rosemary, all from my green thumb, guys. Yes, it's such a beautiful thing to reap what you sow. All right, so let's get started. So I did add a pot with some water, and once the water starts to boil, I am going to add some salt, and then I'm going to add my spaghetti. I didn't break them because I wanted them to, be the long type of spaghetti, where I can use my fork and just twirl it around when I'm eating. So you want to bring this to a boil until it becomes tender. Now you can check it to see the texture of your spaghetti, how you need your spaghetti to be. Yes, so that's how you're gonna do it. Just make sure you check it once it's fully cooked. We're gonna strain it into a colander and then set it aside. So it's all done, and at this time I am going to add a pot over medium heat again, and then I am going to add some vegetable oil into this pot. So once the oil gets hot, it's time to go in and add my garlic, my cumin seeds, and also my onions. And you can also use the white onions, that's all right. Then you want to saute this for 2 minutes. If you have the ground cumin, guys, you can still use that, it's all right. And as you can see, I'm using minimal ingredients into this, and it's still going to be coming out real tasty. Once it's done, I'm going to go ahead and add my ground beef, and at this time you can use any ground turkey, you can use strip chicken, you can use shrimp, whatever you choose into your recipe. Then you want to cook this until the beef changes from the pink color until it starts to get brown. So just make sure that you stir it up as you go. Then go ahead and add the homemade tomato sauce, guys. Once I add it in, I'm going to add some water into the same container and just pour it right up into there. And when it comes to seasonings, guys, you do not have to use the same seasonings that I'm using. You can just put your own seasonings and make sure that you get the taste you are looking for. So I did use a combination, like I said earlier, ginger, onion, garlic powder, some Cajun seasoning, paprika, cayenne pepper. I also add some more red pepper flakes and some beef cubes, which I did crush up. Add it into there, stir it well, making sure that everything is well incorporated. And you want to cook this until the spices are fragrant for about 1 minute and bring it to a simmer. At this time you want to lower the heat to medium low and simmer for about 5 to 6 minutes. Then add the chopped celery, red bell peppers, the carrots, and then you're going to toss it around for another 2 to 3 minutes. I do not like my vegetables to be fully cooked. I like a little crunch into it. So once I add it, I'm going to just cook this for another 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, and that should be fine. At this time, guys, I'm going to add a little bit more of water because I want my spaghetti to be juicy. So here, I stirred it and let it cook in well. Now I'm going to add some of my chopped chives, guys. Look at how green this is, along with some of my rosemary, guys. And the fragrance is great. It's fest delicious. Trust me on this one. So let it cook again for another minute. Make sure you taste, and as I taste, I realize I want a little touch of sugar. So I just add like half of a quarter teaspoon of brown sugar and give it a nice little stir, making sure that everything is well incorporated. And this delightful flavor of combination with the beef and the seasonings, guys, oh my goodness, it's delicious. And I recommend that you try it this way, guys. Now I'm going to add my boiled spaghetti. And once I add it up into here, the next thing to do is to combine it well by stirring it. So I'm gonna stir it up, guys, making sure that everything is well incorporated. And in 30 minutes, our spaghetti and ground beef is done. You can use this for dinner. I choose to use it for lunch, guys. And that's all right. Cook your food and eat it at any time of the day that you want to eat it. Now I'm going to add some of my sun-dried tomatoes right over the top. Garnish with some parsley, or if you have cilantro, that's all right, or even some more chive will do. And it's that simple and easy to put together, guys. And once I do this, I turn the heat off from under the pot, and lunch is ready to serve, dinner is ready to serve. Whenever you want to use it, that's all right. As a reminder, guys, if you're on a diet, this is not for you, but I did serve it with some, oh my goodness, look at this, homemade passion fruit juice, and I will bring a video with this juice another time. So yes, guys, lunch is served again, and go right ahead, give it a try. Don't you forget to like, subscribe, and share my video, and stay with me for many more simple, easy cooking methods. Take this winner, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.